In this video, we're going to look at how do we convert from polar coordinates to rectangular coordinates. And remember, we talked about the important equations in terms of converting are going to be x squared plus y squared equals r squared, x equals r cosine theta, y equals r sine theta, and that the tangent of theta is equal to y over x. So in this case, if we look at convert the following to rectangular, so A, -3, 5 pi over 4. So going from polar to rectangular is actually way easier. The only equations we need are these two right here because they give us a way to find x and a way to find y. And that's all we need to find. So x is going to be r, so -3 times the cosine of 5 pi over 4. And so that's going to be -3 times minus root 2 over 2. Or 3 root 2 over 2. And y is going to be -3 sine of 5 pi over 4. So that's also going to be -3 times minus root 2 over 2, which is going to be 3 root 2 over 2. So the rectangular coordinates are going to be 3 root 2 over 2, comma, 3 root 2 over 2. So fairly straightforward. We'll do one more example here about -2, minus 11 pi over 6. So x is equal to 2 or -2 cosine of minus 11 pi over 6. So remember, the negative on the 11 pi over 6 means you're counting backwards. So if you were using the unit circle and you counted that negative 11 pi over 6 backwards, you're going to end up at the same thing as pi over 6. So it's going to end up being 2 times root 3 over 2. And so, -2 times root 3 over 2. And so that's going to end up being negative root 3. And y is going to be -2 times the sine of minus 11 pi over 6, which is going to be -2 times 1/2, or -1. So the coordinates here are going to be minus root 3, comma, minus 1. So going from polar to rectangular is actually pretty straightforward.